Dear doctors and students, welcome to our channel. I am Dr. Mansoor Ali, Professor, Government Homeopathy Medical College, Calicut, Kerala of South India. Welcome to part 7 of analyzing symptoms and selecting the rubrics. This series of videos is to guide you to convert the patient's narrations about himself and his life situations into the language of the homeopathic repertory or materia medica. The only way to master the art of case taking is to take the cases of different age group in your studentship itself. The only way to master the art of repertory is use the repertory in both in acute and chronic cases in OPD and IPD. Try to convert all the words of the patient into the language of the repertory. This work is based on the homeopathic repertories of Kent, Synthesis, Murphy and Complete. So today we will start with the menstrual and obstetrical history. How this history will help you in the selection of the rubric. A 16-year-old unmarried girl with severe pain in the right iliac fossa thought of appendicitis. But when asked about the last menstrual period, in the absence of the parents, she informed that she missed one period. Who inquired further, she gave a history of unprotected sex with her boyfriend. And the USG abdomen revealed the ectopic pregnancy. So, take care while eliciting the menstrual and obstetrical history. And always think about the possibility of pregnancy before sending a patient to the childbearing age for a radiological investigation like X-ray, CT scan, etc. A negligent prescription may lead to congenital abnormalities and miscarriage. Remember, the first half of the menstrual cycle is comparatively safer for investigation. Now we'll discuss some rubrics, some clinical situations, the mental generals, physical generals and particulars of the patient, and we will try to convert that into the language of the repertory. Blackish discoloration of the nails. How we will work out this condition? Blackish discoloration of the nails. It may be due to the calcium deficiency or the iron deficiency anemia. Extremities discoloration, fingers, nails black. Extremities discoloration, fingers, nails black. Emaciation of the body even while eating well. How we will work out this? Emaciation of the body even while eating. The rubric: stomach, appetite, ravenous, emaciation with. Appetite, ravenous, emaciation with. Or you can work out it as a generalities emaciation, appetite with ravenous. Two rubrics are available. Eruptions in the fold of the body. Eruptions in different folds of the body. Extremities eruption, joints bend off. Extremities eruption, joints bend off. And a generalized rubric: skin eruption, folds of the skin. Skin eruption, folds of the skin. That rubric is there in synthesis repertory. Headache relieved by vomiting. Headache relieved by vomiting. The rubric: head pain, vomiting ameliorates. Head pain, vomiting ameliorates. Now the gradual paralysis of the body. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? Gradual paralysis of the body. Generalities: paralysis gradually appearing. Generalities: paralysis gradually appearing. Biting something hard relieves the toothache. Biting something hard relieves the toothache. The rubric in the chapter: teeth, bite, wants to, on something hard that relieves the pain. Wants to bite something hard that relieves the pain. He is hungry at 11 a.m. He is very much hungry at 11 a.m. The rubric: stomach emptiness 11 a.m. Weakness of the back after intercourse. The rubric: back weakness emission from. Constipation with urge to pass bowels. Constipation with urge to pass bowels. Rectum constipation, constant desire. Rectum constipation, constant desire. Headache relieved after urination. The rubric head pain, urination, profuse ameliorates. Frequent sighing. The sighing rubric that is there both in the respiration and also in the mind chapter. If that is because of some associated mental complaints, you can take it as mind sighing. If it is associated with some respiratory complaint, then respiration sighing, that is a rubric. Can urinate only by standing. Only in the standing position he can urinate. Bladder urination can only pass urine while standing. Can only pass urine while standing. Sneezing when entering into a warm room. Nose sneezing, warm room in. Blurring of vision during migraine. It's an important symptom during migraine, the blurring of vision. Vision flickering, morning, headache with. Vision flickering, headache before. Caries of teeth in children. Caries of teeth in children. Teeth caries, premature children in. Dribbling of saliva while sleeping. Dribbling of saliva while sleeping. That rubric is there in the chapter mouth salivation, sleep during. Mouth salivation, sleep during. Feel as if worms crawl under the skin. Feel as if worms crawl under the skin, like the cocaine bugs. Generality is worm under the skin sensation. Another rubric in skin also, worms under the skin sensation. Cocaine and coca, these are the two remedies represented in that case. A 55-year-old lady taking medicines for mental diseases consult a beautiful doctors only. Feel she is still young and beautiful. She consult beautiful doctors only. Taking medicine for some psychiatric complaint. Feels she is still young and beautiful. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? Delusion, beautiful. She is beautiful and wants to be. Another rubric, mind delusion, young she is again. The age is 55 years. Mind delusion, young she is again. Delusion, beautiful. She is beautiful and wants to be. I do everything for my husband. I wish he would tell well about me to someone. I always appreciate telling something about me. Appreciation, longing for. That is one rubric. Another rubric, delusion, appreciated she is not. Delusion, appreciated she is not. And appreciation, longing. Longing, desire to get good opinion of others. That is the third rubric. Mind longing, desire to get good opinion of others. He is a left-hander. He became upset and worried when he was compelled to write with his right hand. He is a left-hander, but the parents purposefully pressurized her to write with the right hand. The rubric in synthesis repertory, mind ailments from writing left-handed, suppression of. Mind ailments from writing left-handed, suppression of. Always tries to experiment new things. He is in the habit of experimenting new things. Mind new, desire to try new things. That's a beautiful rubric in complete repertory. Mind new, desire to try new things. Incomplete eructation. Incomplete eructation. Eructation, ineffectual and incomplete. That's a rubric. Eructation, ineffectual and incomplete. Sneezing while going from an AC room to a non-AC room. That means sneezing while going out of the room. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? Sneezing while going from an air-conditioned room to a non-air-conditioned room, or sneezing while going out of the room. The rubric no sneezing, temperature from a slight change of. Nose, sneezing, temperature from a slight change of. Allergy from many things, multiple things, allergy. The rubric generalities, allergy, constitution, multiple. Generalities, allergy, constitution, multiple. Pain on the wound scar. The wound healed but still the pain on the scar. Generalities, wound, painful, healed. That's a rubric in complete repertory. Generalities, wounds, painful, healed. Cannot go out and face people due to my father's habit of drinking alcohol. My father is a drunkard. So I cannot go out and face people due to the alcoholism of my father. So how you will work out this condition of the child? Ailments from humiliation. Another rubric is mortification. Mortification. So ailments from humiliation. I and my brother were very affectionate. After my marriage, there was a fight between us and he beat me. That made me so sad. That's a condition explained by a patient recently. I and my brother were very affectionate. After my marriage, there was a fight between us and he beat me. That made me so sad. We can convert it as or interpret it as ailments from disappointed. Ailments from disappointed. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? In spite of the heavy rain, they are watering the plants. Can you suggest a rubric? That means indiscretion. That's an apt rubric in this case. Mind indiscretion. How can we donate money? We had lost everything in the flood of the last year. I would like to donate, but we had lost everything in the flood of last year. The rubric sadness, financial loss after. That's a rubric in complete repertory. In synthesis repertory, sadness, money losing after. Sadness, money losing after, and sadness, financial loss after. Lack of happiness in life due to the interference of others. Lack of happiness in life due to interference of others. Ailments from unhappiness, influence of other people due to. Mind ailments from unhappiness, influence of other people due to. He speaks less due to the fear of being made fun of his language. He speaks less due to the fear of being made fun of his language. Language is only a medium of communication. So the rubric delusion, laughed at and mocked at being. That's a rubric in complete repertory. Then mocking, others are mocking at him, things. Another rubric in complete repertory, delusion, imagination, laughed at being. These are all the three rubrics that's available in the complete repertory. He does not complain even if the food is bad. He cannot say no to anybody. He cannot say no to anybody. He does not complain even if the food is bad. That type of personality, mind yielding disposition. Then another rubric, comply to the wishes of others, feeling obliged to. That's another rubric. Comply to the wishes of others, feeling obliged to. Say he is well, but when asked about each and every symptom, it is found that there is no relief. Can you suggest a rubric for this type of patients? He is saying he is well, but when asked about each and every symptom, it is found that there is no relief. Can you suggest a good rubric for this condition? Three related rubrics. Well, say he is very well even though very sick. Another rubric is optimistic. Patient is still optimistic about his disease, optimistic about the doctor also. And the third one, pleasing the doctors or pleasing others. They are in the habit of pleasing others. So well, say he is very well even though very sick. Another one, optimistic, and the third one is pleasing. Lack of ejaculation during intercourse. lack of ejaculation during intercourse. The rubric in the chapter male ejaculation dry. Male ejaculation dry. That's the rubric for that condition. Quick ejaculation during intercourse. That means the premature ejaculation. Quick ejaculation during intercourse. That rubric in the chapter male ejaculation quick 2. The rubric for the premature ejaculation. So which rubric will work out for the condition semen in urine? Semen in urine. Urine semen containing. That's the rubric. Urine semen containing. Infertility from working in warm place. While eliciting the history, we found that he is working in a very warm place. That may also result in infertility. Then the rubric we have to take from the generalities chapter heated becoming or heated being. Generalities heated being or heated becoming. Impotency from diabetes. Impotency from diabetes. Two rubrics are there. Male erection wanting diabetes in. Then another rubric, sexual desire decreased diabetes in. Sexual desire decreased diabetes in. The medicine is cuprametallicum, but the erection wanting diabetes in, the most important remedy mentioned in the synthesis repertory is Helonius. So you can refer other repertories also. Ejaculation while speaking to woman. Ejaculation while speaking to woman. The rubric, pollution, woman talking about woman. Another rubric, prostate, emission, fondling with a woman. In the chapter prostate, emission, fondling with a woman, talking to young woman from. Two rubrics are there under the prostate, talking to young woman from. So, impotency from diabetes, that is mainly because the diabetes will affect the microvascular arteries first, then only major arteries. That is why the sexual problems are first in diabetic patients. We can manage that to a very great extent by our remedies. Then absence of semen or sperms. Absence of semen or sperms. The rubric aspermatism, that rubric is there in complete repertory and Murphy repertory. Aspermatism. Undescended testis. Which rubric will work out for the undescended testis? The rubric cryptorchidism, abdominal, inguinal, prepubic. Three positions are mentioned. The testis that is in the abdominal position, inguinal position or the prepubic position. Infertility after an accident. Infertility after an accident. Then we have to take the rubric male injury after testis. Then male injuries. That is rubric in synthesis repertory. So male injury after testis, that is in complete repertory. Then male injuries, that is in synthesis repertory. Though he gets tensed, will cope up soon. Though he gets tensed, will cope up soon. The rubric anxiety, anticipation from, cope up when time comes, but able to. But able to cope up when time comes, even though anxiety or anticipation is there. So that's the rubric. Afraid to consult the dentist. Afraid to consult the dentist. Anticipation, dentist, physician before going to. The rubric mind anticipation, dentist, physician before going to. Old father behaves like a child. A grandparent behaves like a child. The rubric childish behavior, old people in. Childish behavior means a person of grown-up age behaves like a child. So there is a beautiful sub-rubric, old people in. Woman with unwanted hair growth in beard and mustache. That is a hirsutism. Unwanted hair growth in beard and mustache. The rubric, general's hair distribution in woman. That's a rubric in the synthesis repertory. Generalities, hair distribution in woman, masculine. Then skin hairy masculine, that's the rubric in complete repertory. The rubric for hirsutism. Skin hairy masculine. Skin hairy, skin womanin. That's a rubric in Murphy's repertory. Another beautiful rubric in Murphy's repertory. Face, hair, facial, masculine woman. So these are all the rubric in different repertories for hirsutism. Hirsutism is not an easy thing to manage, even though the menstrual irregularity is corrected by our remedies, or the ovarian cyst that is also cured by our remedy. This distribution of hair, that will take more time. So prescribe the high potency and wait for some time. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? Delusion, emperor he is. Delusion, emperor he is. Desire to keep the body fit through exercise. He always have a desire to keep the body fit through exercise. Mind fit, desire to be, exercise, jogs, runs. That's a rubric in complete repertory. Generalities, physical exertion, ability. That's another related rubric in synthesis repertory. So always have an extreme desire to keep the body fit through exercise. Teacher using hand gestures to help the student to understand the online class. Teachers always using the hand gestures to help the student to understand the online classes. Gestures make gesticulating arms with head widths. Gesticulating by arms and head. Gestures make. He grinds the teeth when angry. He grinds the teeth when angry. The rubric, teeth grinding, anger after, in synthesis and complete repertory. In Murphy's repertory, teeth grinding, bruxism, anger from. Teeth grinding, bruxism, anger from. He never takes his own decisions, he blindly follows. He blindly follows the leader, he never takes his own decisions. Fanaticism. Fanatism, that's a rubric. A person who is fixed the ideology of certain people. Follow everything what they told. Never use his own ideas. Even fully against his family members if that people told anything. Even against his family members. So that is a fanatic. Intolerant of views and concepts which differ from his own. Another interpretation of fanatism. Severe pain in the affected area after herpes zoster. That means the post-herpetic neuralgia. It's very easily managed by homeopathic remedies. From the allopathic system of medicine, they have to consume the large quantity of painkillers, but without much relief. But we need only small quantity of medicine to manage the herpes zoster, the post-herpetic neuralgia. Chest pain, herpes zoster after, that's a rubric in cancer repertory and synthesis repertory. General pain, herpes zoster after, neuralgic. Another rubric in complete repertory, generalities, pain, herpes zoster, zona after. So first two rubrics are from synthesis repertory and the third one from the complete repertory. Meserium, ranunculus bulbosus, these are the two important remedies for the post-herpetic neuralgia. Weakness and headache after influenza. Weakness and headache after influenza. That rubric is there in the synthesis repertory. Generalities, a beautiful rubric, convalescence, ailments during influenza after. Head pain, influenza after, there is a second rubric, and generalities, weakness, influenza after. So three rubrics are related to it. Generalities, convalescence, ailments during influenza after, then head pain, influenza after, and generalities, weakness, influenza after. Heartburn after curries with coconut paste. He is unable to use or take any curries with the coconut. Stomach, heartburn, fat food after. That's the interpretation. Stomach, heartburn, fat food after. He was brought up under strict control of his parents, but now he has gone astray. Extreme control or the strict control of his parents in the childhood, that may spoil the child. So the rubric in synthesis repertory, ailments from domination, parental protection excessive. That's the rubric. Ailments from domination, parental protection excessive. That's the second rubric. Ailments from parental protection excessive. Needs somebody's help to get up from sitting position due to the pain from osteoarthritis. especially that of knee. Need somebody's help to get up from the chair, from the sitting position due to the pain from osteoarthritis of the knee joint. Extremities pain, knee rising from sitting. Sulfur and the rest of these are the two important remedies mentioned in that rubric even in Kent's repertory. Extremities pain, knee rising from sitting. He speaks like adults. He speaks like adults. Loquacity, precocious loquacity. That's the rubric. Loquacity, precocious loquacity. He is a football player. One day he felt that there are many needles on the football ground. From then he stopped going to play the game. That's recently explained by one of our patients. He is a football player. One day he felt that there are many needles on the football ground. From then he stopped going to play the game. That's a type of delusion. Needles see. Delusion pin about. Delusion pin and needles about. These are the three rubrics for that condition. Delusion needle see, delusion pin about, and delusion pin and needles. That rubric is there in complete repertory. The third one. Mother who used to pay daily visit to the temple stopped it at all of a sudden after son's accidental death. All of a sudden he stopped visiting the temple after the son's accidental death. She feels hatred towards the God. She feels hatred towards the God. The rubric mind blasphemy, cursing and. Mind blasphemy, cursing and. That's a related rubric for that condition. She thinks that the uterine prolapse began after the insertion of copper T. Actually, not because of that, but this type of patients, they will create some reason. They will find out some unwanted reason for their diseases. Mind theorizing. That's a rubric. Mind theorizing. Another rubric, female prolapse of uterus. Female chapter, prolapse of uterus. Gives police complaint against the neighbors frequently. He always used to give complaints against the neighbors on trivial matters. The rubric is litigious. Litigious. Pain in the knee joint while beginning to play football. Gets relieved as he gets warm after a while. That's another condition recently by a patient. Pain in the knee joint while beginning to play football. Gets relieved as he gets warm after a while. The rubric generalities warm becoming ameliorates. Generalities warm becoming ameliorates. Yawning before headache. Yawning before headache. The main rubric for yawning that is available in the chapter sleep. Sleep, yawning, headache before. Delayed walking in children due to underdeveloped bones. Delayed walking in children due to underdeveloped bones. The rubric generalities development. Slow bones and joints. Generalities development, slow bones and joints. My husband is a miser, but sometimes he spends money unnecessarily. The rubric, can you suggest a rubric for this condition? Mind squandering alternating with avarice. Squandering, lavishly spending, alternate with avarice. That's miserly. Spend money unnecessarily to show off. To show off. Mind squandering, boasting from. The rubric, squandering, boasting from. Pain in the buttocks while sitting. Remember, the buttocks related complaints, eruptions on the nads or pain in the nads. These are available in the chapter extremities. Extremities, pain, nads, sitting after. Extremities, pain, nads, sitting after. Not in the back chapter, but all the complaints that are related to the buttocks or nads, that is in the extremities chapter. A type of burned taste in the mouth. Burned taste. I always feel like that. The mouth taste burnt. Another rubric, taste empurematic. That's a rubric in Kent's repertory. Taste empurematic. That means the burnt taste. If God created us, then who created God? Always have a thought like this. Then who created God? The rubric religious affections, too occupied with religion, speculations, dwell on, asking question. He is who made God. That's a beautiful rubric, a lengthy rubric that is there in synthesis repertory. Children who are not interested to play, rather keep on talking with adults. They are always talking with adults, but not interested to play. Mind play aversion to, indisposition to in children, talk with adults, desire to. That rubric is there in complete repertory. Aversion to play, that means indisposition to, talk with other adult, desire to at the same time. Interferes in others' conversation without letting them to complete it. That's a habit of some people. They will interfere with others without letting them to complete it. Mind impatience, talk of others during. Mind impatience, talk of others during. Child needs to pull mother's hair to get the sleep. Child needs to pull mother's hair to get the sleep. That is habit of some children. Pull desire to pull someone's hair. Mind pull desire to pull someone's hair. Thinks wife has a lover and she is hiding him. Wife has a lover and she is hiding him. Delusion, jealousy, lovers concealed behind stove wife has. Wife has concealed the lover behind the stove. That's a rubric under the jealousy. Washing the face frequently or the hand frequently. That's mind washing mania, the face. Mind washing mania, face. Washing the face frequently, and a symptom of OCD. Mother-in-law is a rude person. We are still afraid of her even though she is paralyzed and is bedridden now. That is one complaint recently from a patient. We are still afraid of her even though she is paralyzed and is bedridden now. Fear, fright, previous fright because of. Fear, fright, previous fright because of. Another rubric, mind comply to the wishes of others. Comply to the wishes of others. And the third rubric, surveil. Surveil. Then irritability after fever. The rubric, mind irritability, fever after. That rubric is there in complete repertory. Mind irritability, fever after. Child is very irritable when sick. Otherwise he is okay. But when sick, is very irritable. Mind irritability, children sick when. There is a beautiful sub-rubric for that. Irritability sick when. Otherwise no problem with that child. But when he is sick, he is so irritable. My son went missing in the supermarket and I found him after a while. I have a chest pain since that event. I have a chest pain since that event. Mind anxiety, heart pain with. That's a rubric in complete repertory. Mind anxiety, heart pain with. Broken voice after vocal cord surgery. The patient complains about the broken voice after vocal cord surgery. The related rubric, larynx and trachea, voice interrupts, singing high when. Voice broken, that's a rubric in synthesis and complete repertory. Voice broken, voice timbre, changing constantly, that's a rubric in Murphy's repertory. That's a beautiful rubric in Murphy's repertory. So these are the three rubrics we can work out for the broken voice. Student is afraid to speak, fearing mistakes. He is unable to answer the question asked in the classroom, but writes correctly and gets good mark in the examination. That's a situation explained recently by a patient. Afraid to speak because of the fear of mistakes. He is unable to answer the questions asked in the classroom, but writes correctly and get good mark in the examination. Think about some beautiful rubric related to this condition. Fear, mistakes of making, that's one rubric. Fear, talking, say something wrong lest he should, that's another rubric. Anxiety, mistake about. That's rubric is there in complete repertory. Anxiety, mistakes about. So fear mistakes of making. Then the second rubric, fear talking, say something wrong lest he should. And the third rubric related to this condition, anxiety, mistakes about. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? He is criticizing the young couple at the same time urinating in the public. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? Hypocrisy. That means the pretending principles. Hypocrisy. Abdominal distension from mental tension. Abdominal distension from mental tension. Rubric incomplete repertory. Abdomen distension anxiety with. Stomach ulcer anxiety from. That's a beautiful rubric for the gastric ulcer or duodenal ulcer for a stress personality. Stomach ulcer anxiety from. That's the second rubric. Then anxiety abdomen with the distension of. That rubric is there in synthesis repertory. Anxiety abdomen with the distension of. Cannot tolerate footsteps during headache. Cannot tolerate footsteps during headache. Head pain, noise aggravates footsteps. Another rubric, hearing sensitive, hearing to the sounds, headache aggravates. That's rubric is there in Murphy's repertory. Hearing sensitive, hearing to sounds, headache during. Convulsive attack every month. Convulsive attack every month. Generalities convulsion periodical. Another rubric, generalities convulsion epileptic periodical. Two rubrics are there, convulsion periodic or convulsion epileptic periodical. Convulsion from brain tumor. The child has brain tumor and that results in convulsion. Head tumor brain accompanied by convulsion. That's a beautiful rubric in synthesis repertory. Head tumor brain accompanied by convulsion. Weeps while saying about his or her sexual life. She weeps while asking or saying about his or her sexual life. Mind weeping, telling sexual life about. Weeping, telling sexual life about. Sleep disturbed from heart sounds. Sleep disturbed because of his own heart sound. Sleeplessness, sound in the heart from. Another rubric, sleep disturbed palpitation by. And third one, chest palpitation of heart audible. These are the three related rubrics for this condition. Highly concerned about his body. Highly concerned about his structure or body. Awareness heightened, body of. That's rubric. Awareness heightened, body of. My children took away all my wealth without my knowledge. This is a citation by a parent recently. My children took away all my wealth and gain without my knowledge. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? Grief deception from. That's rubric in synthesis and complete repertory. Grief deception from. A person with a good social consciousness. Social is very active. Good social consciousness. Sociability, that's a rubric. Sociability. Very good at convincing people without leaving any doubt. An expert in convincing other people and without leaving any doubt. Rubric, speech convincing, that's a rubric in synthesis repertory, and talk convincing, that is there in complete repertory. Very good at convincing other people. Itching in the genitalia during menopause. Itching in the genitalia or in other area during menopause. Female itching menopause during. That's a rubric in Murphy's repertory. Skin itching menopause during. That's a rubric in synthesis repertory. Skin itching menopause during, or the female chapter. If that is confined to the genital area, we can take it from the Murphy's repertory. Lazy to household works. Lazy to household works. In office or in school, they are very active. Laziness, aversion to household work. That's one rubric. Another rubric, housekeeping aversion to. Housekeeping aversion to. Being childless is the sole reason for all her worries. Being childless is the sole reason for all her worries. She immensely desired to nurture children. She immensely desired to nurture children. That is her main desire. Mind childless ailments from being. That's a beautiful rubric we can work out for the infertility couple, means the people with infertility. Mind childless ailments from being. That rubric is there only in complete repertory. Another rubric in synthesis repertory, children desire to have beget to nurture. An extreme desire to get a child. Children desire to have to beget to nurture. That is rubric in synthesis repertory. So beautiful rubric in complete repertory, mind childless ailments from being. Parents quarrel frequently. Child fears that he will be neglected by them. A quarreling parents, suppose they will go to divorce within a short span of time. That may be the reason the child fears that he will be neglected by them. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? We have to select this type of specific rubric instead of selecting the rubric grief, fear, etc. Ailments from discord between parents. That's the main rubric in synthesis repertory. Mind ailments from discord between the parents. That's created problems in the children. Then another rubric, fear separation parents from. Fear about the separation of the parents. Then ailments from warmth and security at home, children in lack of. Beautiful rubric in synthesis repertory, ailments from warmth and security at home, lack of. That is a self problem to the children. Fear of committing mistake while speaking. He always have a fear of committing mistake while speaking to somebody. Mind fear talking say something wrong, lest she should. That's one rubric. Another one, mistakes making perception. Mind mistakes making perception. That is another rubric. Dizziness when in a crowded place. Dizziness when in a crowded place, in a marriage function or during shopping. We can work out or interpret like this: mind company aversion to dizzy, faint in a crowd or where many gaslight are burning. That's a rubric in complete repertory. Company aversion to dizzy, faint in a crowd or where many gaslights are burning. Then in synthesis repertory there is a rubric, generalities, faintness, crowded in, street from. Faintness in a crowded street. Feels uneasy when in a crowd. He feels very uneasy when in a crowd. How you will work out this condition? Generalities, room full of people aggravates. That's rubric in synthesis repertory. In complete repertory there is another rubric, rooms crowded aggravates. Rooms crowded aggravates. I am constantly in the tension that I fear that I would become a burden for others. So an explanation by a parent. Constantly in tension and fear that I would become a burden for others. The rubric, anxiety, conscientious, anxiety trifles about. Another rubric, fear, burden of. These are two important, beautiful rubrics for this particular condition. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? See the earpiece, where the earpiece is located. That is the absent-mindedness. That is a rubric, absent-minded. After marriage, husband is not letting me to work for work. I feel worried that I am not able to help my sick father financially. Husband is not allowing me to work. I am a qualified person, but I feel worried that I am not able to help my sick father financially. So the rubric, grief, duty from neglected. That's one rubric. Because I feel worried that I am not able to help my sick father financially. Another rubric, delusion, neglected duty she is. And the third rubric, anxiety, duty as if he had not done. These are the three related rubrics for this condition. Anxiety, duty as if he had not done. Kicks others while walking through crowded places. He is in the habit of kicking others while walking through the crowded places. A behavioral problem in children maybe. Audacity kicks for. That is one rubric in complete repertory. Another rubric in complete repertory, push others desire to. Whenever I wish to do something, I am prevented from doing it by another feeling in my mind. I am prevented from doing it by another feeling in my mind. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? Will, that's a rubric. To, as if he has to. One commanding to do what other forbids. That's one rubric. Mind will, to, as if he has to, will. One commanding to do what other forbids. Another rubric, confident alternate with timidity. Confidence alternate with timidity, that is there in complete repertory. And another rubric, mind thought to train of thoughts, that is there in synthesis repertory. Mind thoughts to train of thoughts. Frighten others, that is his main hobby. Frightening others is his main hobby. Frighten others desire to, that's a rubric in complete repertory. Threatening others, that rubric is there in synthesis repertory. Cries out from pain during menses because of the severe pain, the dysmenorrhea. She cries out. The rubric, female pain uterus, menses during, cry out compels her. That's a beautiful rubric even in synthesis, Kent's repertory itself. Lamenting menses during, that's another rubric. Lamenting menses during. And the third one, shrieking menses during because of pain. 3 rubrics are related to this condition. He is bad at studies but good at repair work. He is bad at studies, that is complained by his mother, but good at repair work. Work desire mechanical, that's a beautiful rubric in complete repertory. In synthesis repertory, another beautiful rubric, handyman. He or she can perform almost all repair work at home. So bad at studies but good at repair work. You can take these 2 rubrics for this type of children. Urinary complaints from sour things. Urinary complaints from taking sour thing. Urinary organs, fruits aggravate sour. That's rubric in complete repertory. Another rubric, urination frequent, acid sour food from. That rubric is also in complete repertory only. Husband neglects me very badly. That is my thought, a delusion. Husband neglects me very badly. Delusion, neglected, he or she is neglected, husband by her. Neglected by her husband. Hurts other children when left unobserved. That is habit of some children. Hurts others, hurting other children when left unobserved. Mind striking children, others when not observed. That's a beautiful sub-rubric. He is good at everything but never express his love and affection. The husband or the father never express his love and affection but good at everything. Indifference, lies wants to. Love children for, daughter for limited expression of it. But with a limited expression, love children. Indifference, dearest friends, even towards. These are the 3 rubrics that's related to this condition. Indifference, dearest friend, even towards. Love children for daughter, but with a limited expression. Indifference, loved ones to. That's the first rubric. Indifference, loved ones to. One's hatred against a person persists even after that person's death. An aversion or a dislike to that person persists even after that person's death. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? Mind, hatred, revengeful and hatred. That's rubric. Mind, hatred, revengeful and hatred. Always involved in sexual thoughts. He has no other thoughts. Always thinking even during sleep also. Thoughts amorous. Sexual day and night. Thoughts amorous. Sexual day and night. Then thought persistent amorous. That's a rubric in complete repertory. Thoughts persistent amorous. Please do not confuse your Google search with my medical degree. Google patients. Nowadays it is very difficult to manage this type of patients. They come with a lot of symptoms. They will search everything in the internet. They have a lot of unwanted diagnosis and they will do all the investigations, even the CT scan, MRI or the ultrasound and everything by just Googling. Then they will come for the treatment. They have a lot of doubts also regarding the various diseases, even though suppose she might have a pain in the toe and she will think that may ultimately lead to a diabetic ulcer or diabetic neuropathy or cancer like that. So which rubric you will work out for this type of Google patients? Google patients. The rubric anxiety, health about own health. Because of their severe anxiety, they are searching in the internet. Another rubric anxiety, hypochondriacal. So anxiety, health about own health. And the second one, anxiety, hypochondriacal. And there is another rubric in synthesis repertory, and anxiety, conscientious anxiety, trifle set. Anxiety, conscientious anxiety, trifle set. He is addicted to different types of drugs. He is addicted to different types of drugs. Drug addiction or morphinism, that's rubric in complete repertory. Addiction tendency to, that rubric is in synthesis repertory. Another rubric, drug desire. Drug desire. So these are the three rubrics related to drug addiction. Fear of undertaking something new. Fear of undertaking something new. Mind fear undertakes anything new. That's rubric in complete repertory. Fear new situation. Then third rubric, fear new enterprise of undertaking A. The last two rubrics are there in synthesis repertory and the first one in complete repertory. Fear undertakes anything new. Fear new situation. And another rubric, fear new enterprise of undertaking A. Sleeplessness before the onset of complaints. Sleeplessness before the onset of complaints. Sleeplessness, complaints before. Other complaints develop sleeplessness. Complaints before other complaints develop. That results in sleeplessness. Wears woolen clothes even in summer season. She used to wear woolen clothes even in summer season. Generalities, coldness, lack of vital heat. Submarine, wearing an overcoat. That's a beautiful rubric in complete repertory. And generalities, fur, that's a rubric in synthesis repertory. Generalities, coldness, lack of vital heat. Submarine, wearing an overcoat. Which rubric you will work out for the frequent eructation? Frequent eructation. Rubric, stomach eructation constant in complete repertory and in synthesis repertory also. Stomach eructation constant. Sleep disturbed due to frequent urination at night. Sleep disturbed due to frequent urination at night. It's a beautiful rubric especially for the elderly people. Sleep disturbed urination from frequent. That's a rubric in complete repertory. Sleep, sleeplessness, urination, urging to urinate with. That's a rubric in synthesis repertory. Sleep interrupted, urinate with desire to. Then sleep, waking, urinate with desire to. So these are some related rubric for this condition. That's a common rubric, common condition nowadays. Because of the desire for the frequent urination, that individual becomes sleepless or interrupted sleep. Sweat too much from slight physical activities. Sweats too much from slight physical activity. The rubric, perspiration, exertion on slightest. Perspiration, that rubric is there in Kent's repertory also. Perspiration, exertion from slightest. Indigestion due to lack of physical activity. Indigestion due to lack of physical activity. That's common nowadays in IT professionals and those who are working at office. Stomach indigestion, sedentary life from. That's one rubric. Stomach indigestion, sedentary life from. Then another rubric, slow digestion, sedentary life. Slow digestion, sedentary life in. Then indigestion, sedentary habits aggravates. That's a rubric in complete repertory. Indigestion, stomach, indigestion, sedentary habits aggravates. High fever only during sleep. During sleep, the patient has high fever. Fever, burning heat, sleep during. Fever, burning heat, sleep during. Another rubric, fever, sleep, heat comes on during. And the third rubric, heat, dry heat, sleep during. That is their incomplete repertory. Heat, dry heat, sleep during. So, severe fever, high fever during sleep. These are all three related rubric. Has to hold the sides of chest while coughing. He has to hold the sides of the chest while coughing. That rubric is there on the back, holding the sides during cough. Holds the sides of the back during coughing. Back, holding the sides of cough during cough. Brain complaints with epilepsy after chickenpox. After chickenpox, the child developed some brain complaints followed by epilepsy. How you will work out this condition? Skin eruption, chickenpox, varicella, brain complaints with. Skin eruption, chickenpox, varicella, brain complaints with. Hatred even to those who do slight offences. Hatred or dislike, severe dislike with a prejudice feeling. That's the meaning of hatred, even to those who do slight offences. Mind hatred, bitter feeling for slight offences. Dislike with a prejudice feeling, bitter feeling for a slight offense. That's the rubric. Both facing poverty, but the doctor still see her dad as a king, and he sees her as his whole world. That is what money can't buy. Despite the poverty, both are satisfied in their life. The doctor see the child, the dad has a king, and the father sees the child has his whole world. That is what money can't buy. Can you suggest a rubric for this type of situations? The rubric is content, CONTENT. That means satisfied despite various problems and hurdles in the life. Some type of patients are like this that we can observe in our IPD. They are satisfied despite various problems in their life. The husband has some disease, the child is jobless, or child has some other disease. Still, they are satisfied with their life. Cope up with their life. Does a lot of work but feels no satisfaction at all. She does a lot of work but feels no satisfaction at all. Mind industrious, mania for work, satisfaction without. So we have to select this type of specific sub-rubrics. Mind industrious, mania for work, satisfaction without. Only sexual thoughts come in mind while seeing every woman. While seeing every woman, only sexual thoughts coming in his mind. Mind thought sexual, woman he see, sexual thought at every woman. Mind thoughts sexual, he see woman, sexual thoughts at every. While seeing a woman, first he gets some sexual thoughts. Disease gets aggravated after homeopathic medicines. No relief at all. That's a complaint by patient. Disease gets aggravates after homeopathic medicine. No relief at all. The rubric in Murphy's repertory: toxicity, drugs, generals, homeopathic remedies, reaction to oversensitive to overacts, without curing. That's a beautiful rubric in Murphy's repertory. Without curing the patient, the complaint aggravate because of homeopathic remedies. But if the patient is sensitive to homeopathic remedies, we can take it as generalities, medicine, homeopathic sensitive to, that's a rubric in synthesis repertory. But in this case, the patient, this is not curing, overacts without curing. That's a beautiful rubric in Murphy's repertory. Sleeplessness from any complaint. Any complaint that causes sleeplessness, all complaints that results in sleeplessness. Sleeplessness, complaints causing sleeplessness. That's a rubric. Complaints causing sleeplessness. Pustular eruptions or abdominal complaints along with the mental tension, exam, etc. Relieves after the exam is over. The child has some complaints, skin complaints or abdominal complaints during examination period only or at the time of stress only. That relieves after the exam is over. Can you suggest a good rubric for this condition? This type of situations are common in our clinical practice. So much of pressure during the examination. That is why she might have some mental tension or some eruptions appearing on the skin or some gastric complaints, but everything okay after the examination. Anxiety eruption before the appearance of. Another rubric, mental symptoms accompanied by physical symptoms. And the third rubric, face eruption tension with. Usually this type of people, they will develop some acne during the examination period. Face eruption tension with, anxiety eruption before the appearance, mental symptoms accompanied by physical symptoms. Itching in the beard if left unshaven. Dryness in the beard and mustache area compels him to use the face creams. Dryness in that area compels him to use face creams, or itching in the beard if left unshaven. Face dandruff of whiskers, that's one rubric. Then skin eruption hairy parts, skin itching hairy parts, that's the third rubric. So you can consider either the face dandruff whiskers, skin eruption hairy parts, or skin itching hairy parts. Cannot cry when sad. Remained emotionless when father died. He or she is unable to cry when sad, remained emotionless when father died. The rubric, sadness, weeping impossible. That's rubric in complete repertory. Sadness, weeping impossible during sadness. Then weeping cannot, weep though sad. Even though sad, she cannot weep. That is there in synthesis repertory. My husband is not willing to take treatment for infertility problem. I frequently get myself injured and get admitted to the hospital just to threaten him. He is not willing for the treatment. So in order to threaten him, I frequently get myself injured and get admitted to the hospital. That is one case recently. The rubric we can take it as masochism or threatening. Masochism or threatening others. Accusing oneself for not having kids. Accusing herself or oneself for not having kids. Reproaches oneself sterility with. That's a beautiful sub-rubric. Reproaches oneself sterility with. Skin reaction after eating shellfish or oysters or prawn. Skin eruption urticaria, shellfish. That's a rubric. Skin eruption urticaria. Husband gets angry on silly matters. Husband get angry on silly matters. Anger trifles about. Anger trifles about. Pain from varicose veins aggravates when hanging the limbs down. Whenever he hang the limbs down, severe pain in varicose vein. So there is a specific rubric. Extremities, varicose vein, painful lower limbs. Hanging down the limbs aggravates. That's a beautiful rubric in complete repertory. In varicose vein, hanging down the limbs aggravates. Second rubric, extremities hang down, letting the limbs aggravates. That rubric is there in synthesis and complete repertory. Even in Murphy's repertory also. Hang down, letting the limbs aggravates. But specifically for the varicose vein, that rubric is there only in complete repertory. Complaints from junk foods or prepared by chemical process. Complaints from junk foods. That is also nowadays very common. Or prepared by chemical process. Generalities, food and drinks, artificial food aggravates. Generalities, food and drinks, artificial food aggravates. So far we have discussed a lot of clinical situations and the rubrics related to that particular clinical conditions. So always remember, symptoms play an important role in unfolding the true image of the sickness. The failure of the remedies selected through repertories are not because of the defect of the repertories, but because of the defect in case taking or the construction of the totality or defect in the selection of the exact rubric. So, if a simillimum is to be found out, the case taking should be perfect, and the evaluation of the symptoms and analysis of the symptoms or construction of the totality, and finally the most important, the interpretation of the symptoms as rubric should be faultless. then only we will get the correct result. So many of the physicians who have never used a repertory or rarely used a repertory complain about its elaborate and time consuming nature. So I am sure this work will definitely help the beginners in homeopathy practice as well as the students of homeopathy. So in this occasion, I thankfully remember our repertory teacher, Professor K.B. Ramesh sir. He had inspired us with his own distinct and marvelous style of teaching. So these are all the references for this work. Ken's repertory, Dox and Kokelenberg. There is a beautiful book, Comparative Repertory of Homeopathy Materia Medica. And we used the Radar Ompazomio, Complete Dynamics, and the Louis Dettinis Mental Symptoms in Homeopathy, Hutchison's Clinical Method, 23rd edition, The Skills of History Taking by Dr. Rahul Tanwani. That's a beautiful book, and also a lot of articles in homeobook.com. So please visit our Facebook page, Homeopathy Homeobook. I am requesting you to give your valuable reviews, comments and suggestions. If you have any doubt regarding the interpretation of the rubric, just post in the comment section of this video. We will definitely give you a good reply. So please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, youtube.com/Dr. Mansoor Ali. So dear doctors and students, thank you for your patient listening in the last seven videos in this series, analyzing symptoms and selecting the rubrics. So I request you to give your valuable reviews, suggestions or additions if any to this work. So this work that may be a glittering performance in the homeopathic repertory teaching and learning that will help the students and practitioners to scale greater heights and will help to take the homeopathy system to the pinnacles of the glory. So once again, thank you, take care and keep in touch. That's all for the time being. Thank you.